In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11. Stop syncing a folder in OneDrive 5 minutes. If OneDrive keeps syncing folders you don't want in the cloud, you don't need to uninstall anything or sign out. Instead, you can simply tell OneDrive which folders to ignore. This keeps your PC tidy, saves bandwidth, and gives you control over what lives in the cloud versus only on your device. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon near the clock. It may be white or blue depending on your theme and status. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons. As a quick tip, you can also open OneDrive from the Start menu if the icon is tucked away. When the OneDrive panel opens, click the little gear icon to access settings. This gear typically sits in the upper corner of the panel. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open the full OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account, backup, and sync preferences. In the settings window, switch to the Account tab. This is where OneDrive lists your connected account and gives you controls over which folders are being synced to this device. Think of this area as your sync dashboard. Next, click Choose Folders. This option lets you pick exactly which folders inside your OneDrive should be available on this computer. It's perfect if you want certain folders to stay online only or not sync here at all. In the Choose Folders list, uncheck the boxes next to any folders you don't want to sync to this PC. Unchecking a folder means OneDrive will stop keeping a local copy on this device. The content will remain safely in your OneDrive cloud, accessible on the web or other devices, but it won't take up space here or continue syncing. Before you uncheck a folder, make sure you've saved anything you still need locally, because the local copy may be removed from this computer once syncing stops. When you're done selecting, click OK to save your changes. OneDrive may take a moment to apply the updates and clean up local copies for the folders you excluded. You can close the settings window after that. From now on, those unchecked folders won't sync to this device, helping reduce clutter and background activity. If you change your mind later, just return to the same Choose Folders window and recheck the folders you want to bring back. That's it. You've successfully stopped syncing specific folders in OneDrive on Windows 11 while keeping everything safe in the cloud.